Thank you all.
Yeah.
I'm happy to welcome you all to the launch of the digital multimedia teaching material of the International Workshop on Spatial Analysis in Deep Learning in the GIS, which was organized by CSAC in collaboration with IITB during Jan 20 to 31, 2020, a 10 days workshop with 1 day field visit. There are 51 candidates from various organizations and universities participated in the workshop. There are 51 videos are made available in the DGM channel for the learning purposes. I once again welcome all of you taking your time to be part of this launch function. And now I request Professor Sadagopan to speak some words on this function. Thank you.
Hello. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So, okay. Good evening, everyone. So I think it is an interesting time, and we actually conducted this workshop way back, and of course, thanks to COVID, we actually had a 3 month lull period. I think that period has been utilized well by CSAT. So what we had was we had some amazing set of speakers, and the topic itself was very interesting. GIS has its own excitement, and added with the AI, the excitement gets even much higher. And that's largely the focus of this workshop. And we had amazing participants, and this level, even in the last session, there for the first session and the last session was actually the same. That sense, it was very satisfying. And we even wanted to see whether we can make it into an NPTEL course, but we realized it too late that NPTEL could not be organized itself. And I think what we have done is to put this in the nice video, and because video, it will be accessible much more. I expect people to kind of benefit from it. And one of the interesting feedback from all the participants was that it should not be a one-shot, it should be an ongoing program. We expect to have next 2 more years, we repeat the offering. Obviously, not the same style, but in a different style. And I think I would personally be happy if the this process we create a few hundreds of GIS plus AI professionals. Okay, so the question is, AI has so many dimensions, but the intersection of this GIS and AI is something very special, particularly in the city of Bangalore with ISRO getting information ISRO satellites. It makes much more sense, and that is the kind of leadership role the NIAS CSAC to play. And that is my remarks, and over to you, Mukul. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I would like to request Dr. Mukund Rao to spare a few words on this.
Yeah. Thank you, Arun and Professor Sadagopan, and many of the distinguished colleagues, many of whom I can see on the screen. I can see Dr. Vishnu Chandra from the National Informatics Center. I can see Dr. Surendra from the Ministry of Urban Development. I can see our Bal, who has joined in from Coordinates. I also see some colleagues from NIAS. I see Sailesh Deshpande from DCS. I see Uttam Kumar, Vijay from ESRI, and many of the other colleagues. Savita is there. I can see Sumit. I can see Kiran, many of the colleagues. So welcome. And I think Adel has just now joined in. So welcome to all of you to this very small meeting that we organized to release the digital multimedia training material. Just to mention, you will remember that we had about 51 class sessions, which were very unique class sessions taken by experts who not only gave an overview of the technology aspects, but gave insights into hands-on sessions and some key applications. So I think it was very unique, and we had captured the videos and the presentations, and my team from CSAG has worked in the last 1 or 2 months to stitch all of them and make them into a digital multimedia material. And from NIAS council side, Mr. Ramadurai's side, who is the chairman of the council, we are committed to make this available in the public domain, because this is knowledge and we feel knowledge should be unboundedly available to whoever wants to seek it. And all of you experts have brought in this knowledge in the workshop. So we have organized a digital multimedia material, which is having 51 class sessions. Each of your class is recorded now, it is available. And we also have the hands-on sessions which are linked with the exercises that were conducted. That is another 13 such material is available. So a total of 64 such classic, innovative, one of its kind material has been organized today, and we are going to formally release it. We did want to do it earlier, Professor, but because of the lockdown and other difficulties, our contractor could not complete the job on time because there was a lot of work to do. Our team was struggling. And ultimately we could get everything done, and we are today in a process of being able to release it. So that is the status today. And what we will do after this release is we will make it open in the public domain. We have started a YouTube channel where we are going to make all of this material available on the public domain for anybody. And we are going to keep on adding more and more materials as we conduct through various webinars, seminars, further workshops and other things. So hopefully this will become a big collection of some of the best materials and knowledge related to spatial analytics, deep learning, artificial intelligence, and its applications to various sectors, including agriculture, where we are focusing, urban development, which is another focus area, health now with the pandemic coming in. So health applications are going to be a focus in the coming days. So a variety of applications. So hopefully, Professor, under your guidance and the experts involved here, in a year or two, we should have a wealth of material, digital material, which can sort of be made available to anybody who wants to access it. It is something like what NPTEL does, but this is more focused with experts coming in on very specific topics. So to that extent, this is a very rich collection of materials that we have organized today, and we are very happy to sort of involve all of you in with us to release this material, and it gives me great pleasure to be part of this activity, and hopefully with some more thinking on these lines and contributions from each of you, we should take up further activities in this direction, as Professor was also mentioning. So this is all the brief record, the brief statement I wanted to have. And once again, I would like to thank Professor Sadagopan, who has been our mentor and guide, and thanks for all your help, and to all the other colleagues, to ESRI specifically, who has been very supportive to this activity, to TCS, who has supported this activity, to IBM Weather Channel, to Google, to SkyMet, to SkyMap Global, and many of the other participants who came into this workshop. Personally, I would like to thank all the faculty members. Some of you are there here who came in and gave your talk. It was really enriching talk, I can tell you, and I know that this will be a record for many, many years. Many students and many individuals are going to benefit from this collection of material that we have. So thanking all of you, and also thank all the participants who are there. And of course, I would also like to express my thanks to Mr. Ramudurai, the chairman of the NIAS Council of Management, who has been very supportive in this activity, and to the NIAS Institute, specifically Dr. Shailesh Naik, who has supported many of these activities and provided us a platform for doing the workshop. So thank you. It's a pleasure for me. And look forward to much more intense interaction with all of you in 2020, and hopefully with the pandemic going behind us in the next few weeks, we should have a very enriching and very interactive interaction in the remaining part of 2020. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Mukund. I think I would like to just add, it's a great effort, great vision, and in fact, I would like to congratulate your team to bring out, excellent quality multimedia material. Efforts are really great. Thank you for that.
Thank you very much. And I would like to request Dr. CSAT, CEO of CSAT, launch the YouTube channel of the teaching material. I'll be sharing the screen now, and sir will be remotely launching that.
So, Professor is getting the screen.
Professor is getting a screen, but as outsider, so he's not getting a control.
Okay, so you can give the control to him.
No, sir. Only to you I can give it.
Okay. So, Professor, with your permission and with your hand holding my hand as usual, please permit me to sort of unscreen this release in that sense.
It's called a digital launch.
Yeah, on this one. So I take this particular thing and so. So
that's good. Digital clapping, we all put here. That's good.
Yeah, thank you very much. And just to mention that this is the channel, and the link of the channel will be made available to all of you, and we'll put it on the public domain now. Just to mention one thing, we could just maybe play one of them. Arun, can you play Vishnu Chandra's talk in the plenary for a minute so that we can get a feel of what it is? I think it was in the plenary talk.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, Vishnu Chandra, you can do that.
And Kudurao and his organization for inviting me. And in fact, since morning, since inaugural session, many vision statement has been given. In fact, I have a opportunity to work with Dr. Mukund Rao and many other people in last more than 25 years. In fact, we think in similar manner, how MAP can be delivered as a service so that it can get integrated in process workflows of e-governance systems. So that vision is a common thought since morning, which we are listening. I am from NIC, and my presentation outlines will be, I will talk something about NIC. These days,
can we have one more? Maybe Uttam Kumar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am available.
Can you look for Uttam Kumar's talk and just maybe project it for a minute?
Yes.
Yeah, I think we have to have a good search worked out for this.
Start with a general idea of what is data science, what are the potential algorithms used here, what are the applications, and then subsequently take you into the geospatial domain. So the word data science is now a buzzword, and before this, data mining used to be very popular. Okay, and then data analytics used to be very popular. I used to teach a course on data analytics earlier. So now data science is becoming more and more popular among the scientific community, even in the industry. So the entire concept of data science
Maybe you can have Vijay Kumar from ESRI for a minute, and then Sailesh Deshpande from TCS 1 minute, and then we can quickly.
Yes.
Dr. Mukundra, I have one request.
Yes, sir.
Another call at 4:30. I'll have to leave. Okay, so you
Yeah.
continue. And I just
Yeah.
wanted to thank all the people who could who could join us, and then hopefully in the near future we all will get to meet and have a cup of tea together in real life. Okay, and safe time for everybody. Thank you. I'm just
Thank
logging
you.
off.
Thank you, Professor. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Everyone. So I think we had very interesting sessions in the morning. Dr. Mukundra spoke about GIS applications in various areas. We had sessions from my colleague Dr. Adit. Very interesting use cases. I think you have seen around how AI machine learning is getting integrated with geospatial technology and different use cases, which are typically possible, and potential is vast. Whatever we can think through, we can expand the uses of AI machine learning and integrate it with GIS to whatever extent. This is just the beginning, I believe. So I would, in my brief, session now, I will have 30 minutes maximum time session. I will cover.
So my job is really easy because many speakers today have talked about how to collect geospatial data, how to analyze the data, and Dr. Vijay has also mentioned how to use and integrate it using ArcGIS. So I'm going to talk about only specific things and special techniques, how to classify language. So this would be the outline of my talk. So
Okay, Arun, maybe we can see Surendra on the last day, January 31st, and then we can move on.
Yes.
So Surendra from Ministry of Urban Development on January 31st, I think he made the talk morning. Or 30th. Yeah, urban.
So everyone is set. Good morning to you. I am Surendra, so in charge chief planner from Town and Country Plan. Before going further, those people who doesn't know about my organization, it is my responsibility to introduce who I am. What is my organization doing? Since country is very large, we have so many institutions. Okay, we doesn't know which institution is doing what. Okay, just I will touch on few slides about my organization. I do not know whether this is the
Okay, so fine. So do you want to say anything further, and then we can move on and hear some views from the other members? Yeah, so like this, yeah, Arun, go ahead.
Yes, sir. We'll take share their thoughts, sir. I will request Dr. Vishnu Chandra to start.
Yeah.
Yeah. First of all, it is a very proud moment of release of digital learning material of this workshop on international workshop on spatial analytics and deep learning, which was very timely and need of hour. Why I am saying, because the world is moving beyond simple and linear automation for carrying out basic transactions, and it is moving towards more complex, non-linear, and some sort of a convergent world driven by data. And government system, e-governance systems are not immune to this kind of change, which is disruptive. And geospatial is core foundation for this. Along with analytics, AI, ML, IoT, sensors, different disciplines are getting converged as a part of single ecosystem, which is required for end-to-end e-governance solution. So in this context, this international workshop was quite timely. And the learning material, which is now being released on a digital platform, is highly appreciable, and its public view will add new dimensions in future. And I again congratulate Dr. Mukund Rao, Professor Sadgopan, and all my colleagues and friends who are part of this activity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would like to request Dr. PLN Raju to add.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I hope I am audible. Yeah, first of all, I take this opportunity to congratulate NIAS and Center for Spatial Analytics and the Government of CSE for taking a very innovative idea and bringing all experts and conducting this 2 weeks workshop on as Mukund Rao already mentioned, is a rich information made available so that the people will. I'm also looking forward to have more of in future according to the actual demands in the future. I also thank for giving the opportunity for us also to speak and best wishes for this year.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, I would like to ask Mr. Surendra, CTO, to say a few words.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I am very much thankful to NIAS and Mukund Rao, his team, for inviting us for the inauguration of release of digital multimedia teaching material of the international workshop. We have seen the kind of expertise available in the workshop and people trained. In today's situation, it is more relevant, and this will be put to use of many of the professionals of town planners in the states and local bodies. This opportunity, we will use it during this period, which will help us and many more people to understand, to learn the skills which have been put in the digital media. Once again, I am thankful to Mukund Rao and his team for giving very valuable inputs in geospatial technologies to the world, basically. I am once again thankful. and all the best for the team.
Thank you very much, sir. I would request Dr. Sumesh Sen to say a few words. Yeah, sir.
Okay. I really like that you have come with a steady intent to share information, which is something that is so important in the geospatial knowledge infrastructure, which is very important. And I'm looking forward to a continuous engagement to develop this knowledge infrastructure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. So now I'd request Ms. Savita Kulkarni to have a few words, please.
Thank you so much for inviting me to this, this session, as well as I really feel that this is the true democratization of knowledge dissemination, because having international workshops, not everybody is able to attend those, and those are so informative sessions, and some of the best people in the industry and in the research field have come in and given their best kind of information, and allowing anyone who is really interested and passionate about these areas to get access to these kind of sessions is exemplary, and I think it's the best decision you have taken, and I'm so happy to be part of that. So that's what I had to say. Thanks.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So we'll have one special speaker, Professor Uttam Kumar. He was our co-organizer, so we'll hear some words from him.
Yeah. Good evening, all of you. Thank you all the dignitaries present here. A special thanks to Dr. Mukund Rao, Chief Executive CSAT, and our Director, Professor Sadagopan, who originally conceptualized the idea of this workshop, implemented it and nurtured it to this point. We are glad to see an album of almost 51 video lectures from eminent speakers from across the world, released now as a digital multimedia teaching material. And the special point to mention here is the attraction, that is a YouTube channel. So, I mean, we cannot think anything better than this step. If someone did not get a chance to be physically present in the workshop or missed it due to some reason, in fact, Dr. Mukund Rao has made all the lectures available at your doorstep. So you can watch it at in your laptop, desktop, mobile, iPad, tablet, and whatnot. So this would actually, I think the video will reach hundreds of thousands of people spatially, that is geographically, at both urban and remote locations, with all the non-spatial attributes. That is all your video lectures, and would definitely act as a much sought after popular lecture series. Okay, I hereby congratulate Dr. Mukund Rao and also our director, Professor Sadagopan, and each and every member of the CSAT team who made this possible. It is definitely, I think, a unique and one of its kind that will be globally regarded as a top-class online teaching material, research material, and lecture material. Thank you for providing all of us an opportunity to witness this release online and giving us some food for thought in the lockdown. And thank you all of you again for joining the release.
Thank you very much, Professor Uttam Kumar. I'd like the final words from Mr. Vijay Kumar from ESRI. He wants to say anything.
Thank you very much indeed. I think the vision actually regarding this workshop is really great. So I should congratulate Dr. Mukund Rao and Dr. Sadagopan. This is a great vision, in fact, right? This is start of this, kind of approach. And I'm sure in future, we are going to continue this vision with many other, workshops of similar kind. I know able to share the similar kind of, material with the people, more and more material. So I think it's a great start, Dr. Mukund Rao. Thank you for this vision, and thanks for involving us. Thank you very much.
Thank you all of you. We'll have some final words from Dr. Mukund Rao to say on this particular ceremony.
Okay, I just want to check whether is Adel there. Adel Fernandez is joined. Arun, can you check whether he is there or he is?
He's not there, sir. He is not there. Adel is not there. That's a different case.
Okay, fine. I thought he joined, but anyway, maybe okay, fine. So yeah, I don't have much to say to all my colleagues there, and thanks a lot for coming in. Yeah, it has been a nice feeling of doing a good activity in this country, and we will keep doing this in different ways, and show how we can be all contribute towards building up this technology, the knowledge base, and build up applications. I'm very happy to also mention to all of you that we are in discussion with Professor Sadagopan and a few others that in January 2021 we'll follow up with another workshop, a 2 weeks workshop, but that will be in a different format, a 1 week technology workshop and a 1 week parallel running applications workshop. So there will be some parallel sessions that we'll work on agriculture, health, water resources, urban, and so on. So we're still planning for that. And from CSAC side, we are quite excited. We are getting ready with our Agri-GIS in South Odisha. This year, we are going to touch 10,000 farmers directly. And we have also done some studies for the pandemic to show how data analytics can help in pandemic analysis, not for this COVID, but as a general data analytics and data science principles. We are doing some studies on that. So we have a good year coming up, and we hope to bring in another good interaction workshop symposium in January 2021. And we look forward to support from each of you and many others in the country and across the world. And we hope to contribute in enriching this knowledge in this country from this particular technology of spatial analytics, artificial intelligence, deep learning, and so I would like to also thank my colleagues, Arun, Deepak, Sanjeevi, Girish, many others you would have seen in the meeting, Russia, Shilpa, who has been coordinating this workshop, and others. If I miss some names, it's just because I'm not able to immediately get all the names of the CSAC people, but my whole CSAC team. They have done wonderful. This multimedia material has come out very nice, and they have all worked on this. And thank you very much. And now the YouTube channel is out. Arun, if you can transmit the YouTube channel link to everybody, all of you can further publicize this and popularize this as much. If there are any comments, come back to us, tell us what needs to be changed, and we will consider them. And next time we will try to do better and cover up all those issues. So thank you once again, and thanks a lot for contributing to the workshop, coming today, and be safe and keep everybody safe. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mukund. Thank you.
Thanks, Dr. Mukund.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for everything. It was a wonderful workshop.
Thank you.